Hi there, my name is Tom Clendon and I teach ACCA students to pass financial reporting, the FR exam. I'm here to give you 3 tips to help you pass FR. After all, getting a few extra marks can make all the difference between passing and failing the exam. These tips all come from the examiner's reports on the exam. So if you could ask the examining team a question, what would it be? I would ask, what do good students do that enables them to pass? I would ask, what mistakes have students made in the past that I can learn from? Well, you can find the answers to these questions in the examiner's reports. These extremely useful documents are found on the ACCA's website. So here's my first top tip. Read the examiner's reports slowly, thoroughly, making notes. And don't just do this for the most recent exam. Go back over the last few sittings. You'll notice some common themes. Each report, for example, goes through several past objective test questions from section A of the exam and thoroughly dissects it. Let's now consider a tip that will help you with section B of the exam. And just look at the range of topics covered in the March 2020 examination. So tip number 2 is to study and revise the whole syllabus. Okay, time for my third tip now, and it relates to section C of the exam, which contains 2 constructed response questions drawn from these 4 areas. Now, the key to passing exams is question practice. And tip number 3 is to direct you to exactly the best questions that will prepare you for section C of the examination. For questions on single entity accounts, the examining team recommend for preparation Varon, Duggan and Haverford. And for analysis, Bunn, Moware and Funjet. And for questions on consolidated financial statements, the examining team recommend for preparation Party, D'Argent and Bicombe. And for analysis, Perlow, Duke, Perkins and Gregory. Remember that all these past exam questions and answers are available on the ACCA website. Thank you for listening and please share this video with other students.